good video. This is going to be a good video. Yo guys, back here again. We're going to have a lot of stuff happening in this video. Hey, we're in Singapore. What is in? Could you answer that question, please?
Nothing.
Yeah, you should, if you want to find out where Singapore is, you should research it. Yeah, play with friends.
I know where Singapore is and not telling me.
Yeah, we don't. Yeah, we don't want to tell you. We're not allowed to tell you.
We are allowed.
I just don't want to either. Hey, look, Cameron! I've got some keys that need to be awarded. Oh, look at this.
I'm doing a Roblox video, by the way. I'm going to play Pokemon Breeze.
Yo, could you wait on the Battle Coliseum for me and show me this thing?
Coliseum?
Yeah, Coliseum, and show me this thing, please.
I'll show you all the Pokemon you'll get in your PC. It'll be the same as me.
Now let's do some box opening here, guys.
Boy.
Hey, we get.
You got the UFOs.
Have you got one?
I've got a few. Oh, we got an update. Oh, it's just the Coliseum.
LOL.
Pokemon Breeze, Coliseum.
Spend 2,000 coins. Yeah, you'll get hoverboards.
Hoverboard, I hate the hoverboard.
I hate hoverboards, even though they can save me. Pokemon Breeze is technically a write-off.
Yeah, it's technically Britain.
I've unlocked Tricky finally. Oh, the relief is over. I've unlocked the tap.
You've unlocked. Now you just need a few coins and you get the OP one.
And I get more.
Okay. When this actually decides to load, I'll show you what's in there.
There's a bit.
I
I got a head start. I got a head start.
Start from box 5.
Box 5.
Box 4.
Is those what you get?
Yeah. It gets better. And better.
Sorry, guys.
Oh my god, look at that wrist. Boom. Oh my
Let's
god,
have a
look at
look.
that.
God, that looks sick.
Oh, come on, the game keeps freezing.
Sorry that I'm not doubling up, guys. I don't want to double up.
Ah, this game's been mean. This game's been very mean to me.
Are you sure that I'll get... What would you say if I just get loads of hoopers?
Well, there's only one, and then you literally just because I used it before.
Yeah. Yeah, you got thrashed. You should look out for my new Roblox video, which will be coming up soon on my phone. Da-da-dun. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na.
Why did you make your videos so dramatic? There's literally no point.
And then this is the final box. Da-na-na-na-na-na.
It's not really that dramatic.
One more hoverboard.
Stop being so over dramatic about it.
This might be the last Subway Surfers video forever. It's being too mean. No, don't you dare do this to me. I always love doing Subway Surfer videos. This will be epic. Oh, look who we get.
Really?
Boy.
You just put talking.
Boy. We're gonna put, let's see our OB form. I wanna see. Camo.
That's the OP form. No, heart is bad.
I don't like that, to be honest.
I like the
I wanna get that, you know. I wanna get that so bad. Just wanna get Joya. I wanna see
Felia's got Joya.
that.
Mm.
Damn.
That's only because she had my old iPad, but I got absolutely loads of characters on. And she had enough
Unicorn.
coins to get Joya. She wants unicorn.
I want unicorns.
You like unicorns, you do.
I don't like unicorns. I'm just being like a WWE wrestler. Okay, now let's run.
Not like a WWE.
Let's just cheat a little bit here. I'm gonna
Back
cheat
to
a little.
Pokemon Breeze.
He's going back on Pokemon Breeze.
Come on.
Well, I'm gonna get
Roblox has been streaming. I want to record.
He wants to record, guys.
Why can't I flip and record?
It's because Tricky is about to save us. OP! Saved her! Even though she's not her OP form yet, but she's literally safe. She's just saved me from despair. My Subway Surfers videos might be a bit over dramatic. Plus, this is going to be a very short video, guys. Now that I've done them. Whoa! Did you just see that glitch? I glitched through the bush and survived. And now I'm just going to really have to get that mystery box. This is going to be a beast opening. No, it isn't. It's going to be terrible. Because I'm having terrible luck today. I'm just getting hoverboard after hoverboard after hoverboard. He has to download this location again. He actually really does care about the entertainment. He was doing that because sister location's really annoying him. Could you tell? Oh jeez!
Laura goes right in front of me.
Who?
She's Laura, the ballerina thingy.
Oh yeah. I might just break my record, guys. Can I do it in this video?
No, you can't.
No, I'm dead, but I'm spending one of my keys. Just one of my keys on this. Just one of my keys so I can break the record. Break the record down! You know I got yous. Yeah! Break the walls down! Yeah, I'm gonna do...
I'll show you the night video.
No, I don't want to watch no Night 2.
Nah, because it's really scary.
I don't want to watch no Night 2 because I'm...
really scary.
I'm recording! Stop! I'm recording! Did you hear that, guys?
Come on, boy Siri, come at me. It's a bad excuse for a Siri, to be honest. I don't know who did that voice, but it was really bad.
I know.
Get that flower.
I just got that flower, mate.
You've got 7 now.
Yeah, I've got 7 boys!
Do you know, you don't even sound cool at all.
Boys, I don't sound cool in this video, but seriously.
You are not cool.
Stop dissing me on my video.
No, you're not cool.
This is coming to the breaking moments. The breaking moments. I'm recording. I'm finally recording a full video. Can this happen to me? Go, go.
You're playing Super
Yes.
And Mo's just playing it.
That's Cameron G's little sister, by the way. Oh my G! OMG! I'm breaking my record. It's happening in this video.
Watch this at the same time.
I'm trying to watch a video at the same time as this.
I'll put it on full screen.
No, I'm dead.
I'll put it on full screen.
Well, let's just do
I
something.
saw an eye. I saw a flipping eye. No. See if you can watch that while you're doing it. Put it there.
I'm
So
gonna
you can
try.
see the screen.
I'm gonna try.
Look, you'll see an eye.
Is this the location?
Yes, this is night 2.
This is Night 2 assistant.
There's 7 minutes left.
I might just break my. I'm gonna break my record. I got 8.
Look, here, listen.
I'm listening.
This is on the video sound. I do not do the sound.
Neither do I, but this is literally Old Beast 5 Nights at Freddy's. Well, that is
This
anyway.
is the new one.
That's the location. I'm
Now he's
trying.
going to pull the table. Oh my god, he's pulling the table. I nearly got really scared when the second table.
Excuse me.
Slower with the pulling it.
Oh my god! I've almost achieved Cameron's target. No, I've missed a flower. His target is to get 1,000 coins in one run, and I'm on 777. Yeah, I actually am. Cam, look.
Oh, you are 777. You want 666 yeah.
Go on. He's doing it. Man's gonna do it. Well, woman's gonna do it then. This is obese. Keely. I'm on 911.
Just listen.
I'm listening. I can't. I'm on my.
Laura's going to go right in front of me.
Please don't. I'm trying to record. Gosh.
It is. Look.
I saw. God, I've played it. I've done it. I got 1,000 coins. No.